Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Encore. The Encore captures Buick's traditional strengths while demonstrating luxury and style in a petite size. It's amazingly quiet at freeway speeds, and the suspension engulfs pavement imperfections, providing passengers with a pampered ride. Standard features that would make any car owner smile. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes, ambient lighting, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display. Your new ride is just a phone call away.